ያሳዩታ
አንተየ ለረፈራ ሆዴ አድራይ ዘመዴ
አንተየ ፍራት ምን ሊበጅ መጠንቀቅ ነው እንጂ
የሆነው ሆኖ እጄን ስሰጥ ምነው ለሰላምታ የራቀኝ
ልብ በያለሜ እንዴት ነሽ ብያለሁ ከወገብ ታጥፌ እጄን ሰጥቻለሁ
እሱ ሲያትወግ ነው የጥንቱ ሰላምታ ስንቱን ዘመን አልፎ እንዴት ዛሬ መጣ
እጅ መስጠት ማለት መማረክ ነውና እጅ መጠበቅ ነው የሰሞኑ
Yeah, Estelle, we bout to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London.
Cut his head off, leave his ass with a full plate. Nigga talking shit, put the metal to his mouth. Now I call his ass Drake.
I got $500 in cash in case they don't take Amex. She wanted to see me, so now I'm headed to the annex. Sorority house, she snuck me in. She tried to keep quiet.
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't
3, 2, 1, level up, 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 level up.
Hate me, say what you want about me, but all the boys and all the girls are begging to get me.
That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. Baby, soon we go take over. Then go rock by no hour. Ooh, I made a guy them come closer. Made a man them
Sound, yeah, Estelle, we bout to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London.
My guy pretty like a girl. He got vice towards the girl. See both sides like a girl. See on both sides like a girl.